Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to split a string into its subsections within the Java Eclipse platform. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to go to file and we can create a new project. So go to new and click on Java project. Here we will write the name of the Java project as Zeta 11. Okay, so this is next and click on finish. Now our project has been created. Now expand it out, right click on this src folder and we need to go to new and then click on class. So here we will write the name of the class as class 1 or anything like that. We also need to tick the public static void main function because these two things are very necessary for the Java program, a public class and your void main function. So now our programming window has been created. So now we will write our code inside this thing, okay, void main function. So we will write here, first we will write string a is equal to anything, okay. Now what is this? String is the data type. String is the data type and a is the storage space or variable. And what sort of data we can store inside this? Say it is the string. So we will write this is a line. This is a line. So this is our string. And now this string is stored inside this variable a. Now string a is equal to this is a line. Now we will define a string array, okay. So second thing is string string a double r, oh sorry, or just ar underscore str is equal to, now this is a array. Why we can say? Because we have defined its size, okay. If there are two square brackets, then we can say that we have defined, or we try to define the size of this ar underscore str. So this will be the array string of arrays, okay. And what is this? It can store multiple string in it, okay, multiple string in it, not a single string. Just like this a variable can store a single string, this thing, but this can store multiple substrings in it, okay. This ar underscore str. So now we will write a dot split. Split is our function, okay. So this thing, okay, so a split, okay. So a dot split, and here we will write this is space. On the basis of space means that where there is space, just like there is space in between this and is, so they will be get like they will be split it up, okay. Then okay, so now this thing will happen, okay. Now what will then, okay, now we will go for loop, okay, which will print all the things. So we will write for, there must be one bracket in for loop, okay. Here we will define a variable for string b colon ar underscore str. Now what this for loop will do? Now we have defined another string type variable whose name is b, and ar underscore str, what it will do on every iteration, on every for loop iteration. Okay, so one by one all the elements of array string will be stored inside this b. Okay, it will be stored inside this b variable, and then we will write system.out.println, system.out.println. Then we will write here b. Okay, b, and we will get all these strings. Okay, so now run it out. Okay, now you can see that we got all the we got split all the string. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept regarding how to split a string within Java. Okay, so thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.